We at Amazon Sales Videos make videos for all kinds of products. Here are clips of samples. The video is uploaded by you onto your Amazon page to encourage more sales. Our premium videos include actors at scenic locations.
Turmeric's been used for thousands of years to cure a whole bunch of ailments. This spice can still help you today in your daily life. With Fine Vine's turmeric curcumin with ginger and bioperine black pepper. This supplement helps me get back in the game by reducing inflammation and relieving joint pain.
I use Fine Vine Organics Anti-Aging Eye Gel to prevent the sun damage and eye puffiness I get from being out in the ocean.
I use Dental Duty Oral Care Kit to remove plaque from my teeth and keep my gums healthy. It helps me prevent cavities. My family saves so much money since it reduces teeth cleaning appointments. We even have one kit for our dog, Dental Duty Oral Care Kit.
We highlight your product's features and benefits. The large 6-quart capacity lets you make large meals. The LCD screen lets you see where you are in the cooking process and will automatically go to the keep warm setting when it's done. And time to serve, your dinner is ready in no time. The borders are easy to fill with air just by blowing into it. We create many varieties of videos appealing to American buyers. As the most hired influencer in the world, I created this company in order to help my customers sell their products on Amazon and on their websites. Contact us so we can make your Amazon sales videos